Hey YouTube, this is my Brute bush mower. Bought it at an auction for $2.50, and all it needed was gas put in it and water drained out of the carburetor, and it's self-propelled. It's missing the bag. It's got the chute and everything. The self-propelled works, and that's great. And it's a good mower. I'm gonna sell it at my garage sale for $30 or something. I'm not gonna sell it for too high because it's a bit worn out, and mowers don't sell too well in my town since a lot of people sell mowers. This will be a quick vid. I just wanted to show y'all it. Have a nice day.